Explain the Gauss-Seidel method. The Gauss-Seidel method is a modification of Jacobi method to solve simultaneous system of linear equation more effectively. It requires fewer iteration to have same degree of accuracy as Jacobi. In this method, we use the value of an unknown in the other equation as soon as they are known. Here are the steps for applying this method. Let's see them with an example. In the first step, we write all the equations in terms of particular variables. This can be shown as: let us now choose the solution to all these variables b. Now substituting 0 in the first equation, we get. Now using the value of the obtained variable in the next equations, we get. We keep on repeating the process until all the variables are found. We continue to repeat such iterations until the value of 2 iteration matches. The values obtained in each iteration can be summarized in table as: we see the value of 4th and 5th iteration matches. So the answer to the question is: let's now summarize all the steps for finding the solution.